So guys, the board says introducing the most luxurious Boeing business jet. This Boeing 737 BBJ behind belongs to Royal Jet. Momentarily, I'm gonna go on board and discover what sort of luxury they offer. Follow me.
Good morning, Mr. Sam. Welcome on board Royal Jet Boeing 737 BBJ. May I show you to our luxury cabin?
Sure, I'd love to follow you.
Please follow me.
Wow.
Our VIP cabin. Please have a seat. May I introduce the cabin features to you? This is your personal iPad to control the mood lights in the cabin.
Oh, let me play. So I'm gonna choose a really cool color. Red. Oh my gosh. Look at my hand. My hand is just drawing a circle and the moonlight is changing. It's really, really cool. Wow. So now the window, we can put the window up. Amazing. Now the window down. Oh, the music is on.
So you can select the
I can put the volume up and down.
In a place we meant to be.
Hey girl, put some music on.
Hey girl, come on, get that ass off.
Guys, Regina was just showing me the amazing feature. Everything can be in one touch of an iPad. That you can control the lighting, the temperature, the shade, the music on board, everything. This is truly fantastic.
Mr. Sam, may I please show you to the rear of our aircraft where you will find 8 business class seats that can be fully reclined into the cockpits.
Excellent. I'll follow you.
This is an example of our business class seat fully reclined, and bed is prepared for you to have a rest. A private bathroom.
A private bathroom. Ah, it looks super nice. Thank you.
And at the very rear of the aircraft, you will find 18 seats for the entourage. Sam, you probably had a very long day. Would you like me to show you a very private bedroom that we have on board for you?
You have a bedroom? Oh my god.
Please follow me.
I didn't know that. Okay, follow you.
This is the way to your very private bedroom in the sky.
Wow, I didn't know there's a hidden passage here. Oh my gosh.
Please welcome.
Look at this.
It's a full queen size bed. And as you can see, it features a beautiful bedroom with personal TV screen If you would like to watch a movie while you're in the bed, you're more than welcome to do that. We can also serve you beverages and some snacks. You also have your in-suite VIP bathroom.
Wow. So I just changed into the Royal Jet pajama and now I'm gonna have a good night's sleep. I'm so tired. Oh, thank you, Regina. Thank you for turning the blinds down.
You're welcome.
It's beautiful.
Have a good night. Sam.
Gosh, I can't tell you how much I enjoy. It's like every wish is grounded here. It's so luxury. Everything is taken care of. So, Captain Ahmed, it's my pleasure today with you in the cockpit of this Boeing 737 BBJ. It's actually, in fact, very excited to tell you it's my first time on board a BBJ, Boeing Business Jet. So I have a question for you, if you don't mind. I want to know that what's the range of this BBJ? How far it can fly? Let's say we're based in Abu Dhabi right now.
This BBJ can fly up to 10.5 hours. So from Abu Dhabi, we can go all the way to Iceland in the west, China and Japan in the east, and South Africa in the south.
Wow.
And this aircraft can accommodate up to 34 passengers with their luggage.
Up to 34 passengers
34 passengers.
with 10 hours range.
Yes, sir.
That's awesome. Captain, I'm also interested to know what sort of cruising altitude this airplane, the BBJ, can fly in the sky.
This BBJ can fly up to a maximum altitude of 41,000 feet, but with the modification we've done to this aircraft, we brought down the cabin altitude, which you can feel in the cabin, down to a maximum of 6,500 cabin altitude, which will give you more comfort by the time you arrive, as you are spending 10.5 hours.
Naturally,
on the
your
aircraft.
lower altitude in the cabin makes you feel less jet lagged and more comfortable.
Exactly. So by
And
the
also,
time-
I'm interested to know what sort of speed this airplane cruise usually.
this BBJ will cruise at an average speed of Mach 7.8.
Mach 7.8, just like the normal Boeing 737.
Yes, exactly.
Excellent. Thank you very much again
You're
today.
welcome, sir.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Pleasure having you on.
So guys, I have Mr. Rob DeCastri. He's the CEO of Royal Jet. First of all, thank you, Rob. Thank you so much for inviting me on board to check out the luxury. It's unbelievable. So Rob, I guess all the audience will be interested to know how expensive this jet is. How expensive to charter this jet?
That's often the first question we get. Because the aircraft is so expensive, it's about $100 million aircraft. The cost to fly it, you're looking between $12,000 to $15,000 an hour. And you do it by the hour, so regardless of the number of passengers, $12,000 to $15,000 an hour on average. It's not an inexpensive flight to take.
But you could have one passenger, or you could have up to 34 passengers.
Exactly. And we actually have, you talk about the number of passengers, we have 8 different aircraft. We're actually the largest operator of Boeing business jets in the world. Different configurations. We have one with 19 seats, one with 52 seats. So all the different range, depending on what you need. Best thing though, the bedroom. If you think flying 10 hours in the aircraft and you have a real bed to sleep in,
Amazing.
You know,
I was actually fell in a coma. I was in this bedroom earlier and I was so comfortable, so I actually fell asleep and somebody has to wake me up.
Now this one has a very unique internet. It's called Ka-band, and it's the fastest speed internet you can have in the sky. So you can be streaming YouTube, Netflix, Apple TV, whatever you like,
Wow.
just like you're sitting at home.
That's amazing. Apple TV and YouTube. So guys, you can watch my YouTube while flying this
There
private
you
jet.
go.
That's amazing. Oh, thank you very much, Rob.
All right, Sam.
It's
Welcome.
Such a pleasure.
Hey, great to have you.
So guys, that was the most luxurious Boeing business jet in the world to offer. Thank you so much, Royal Jet, and thank you so much for viewing, and see you next week.